What's up guys, so the new Vivo X2 is here, the most attractive phone in the market, packing pretty good specs, but at a very expensive price tag. The X2 has a 6.39-inch Super AMOLED display, with a resolution of 1080 into 2340 pixels. The bottom chin is very trimmed, and the display comes with 91.63% screen ratio, 2.5D glass is also there. As we all know, it houses two displays. The display at the back is also Super AMOLED panel, with a size of 5.49 inches, and a traditional Full HD resolution. There's a standard 16:9 aspect ratio here. The rear display also has pretty punchier colors, thanks to AMOLED technology. No doubt, both the displays are vibrant, sharp and capable of producing punchier colors. No notch on the front, means there is no front-facing camera on the device. For shooting selfies, the rear-mounted dual cameras can be used, and the back display can work as the viewfinder. This technology was used by Nubia first, on their Nubia X smartphone. The implementation is very nice and good-looking. The company has beautifully designed that circular cover of the camera. The circular cover also houses some part of screen, which is great. You may didn't notice, but there's a gradient ribbon around the circular cover, which glows while listening to music, or during charging. So, the design and look of this phone is wonderfully remarkable. The company has ditched the motorized pop-ups, when compared to its predecessor. What do you think so? Which is a better solution of abolishing notch, motorized pop-ups, or dual displays? Drop down your opinions in comments section below. Like its predecessor, the X2 has an under-display fingerprint sensor. The speed of the scanner has been greatly improved compared to its predecessor. As you can see, now it unlocks the phone instantly. So a nice improvement in this aspect. In order to switch to the second display, you only have to press both the left and right button together, and it will display the same content as on the primary display. Just clicking the right button, you can also enable the second screen, but it would not show the same content as on the primary one. The X2 is powered by a Snapdragon 845 chipset and will be available in 10 GB of RAM, coupled with 128 GB of non-expandable storage. For gaming, company also provides two buttons to fully adjust the gaming function, so that you can play games conveniently. These all software features are included in Android 9.0 Pie, modified with FunTouch OS 4.5. Having dual screen, the phone is having a mirror mode, and a mood transfer mode. Write something on primary screen, would displayed on second screen, so these types of software features are nice to show. The phone comes with triple camera setup, with main 12-megapixel camera. Using IMX363 sensor, the phone is equipped with night video camera and super night mode. And here's the difference, compared to its predecessor. The company have provided some default camera samples for reviewers, which are surely fake. The phone is also equipped with 3D face feature, which is unique and something new, thanks to third lens, which includes a 3D time of flight sensor. The phone is capable of taking brighter shots at night, with super night mode. The shutter speed is really slow in night mode, but it can capture pretty impressive shots. As you can see, the results looks promising. So this is all about Nex. Let me know your opinions about this phone. Make sure to subscribe our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.